Hi everybody and welcome back to the Welcome Screen office. Today I'm going to be showing exactly how to monetize your screen through our partner program and how to put a QR code on there that links to your personal shop to which you can generate revenue from. Alright, let's start actually in the Welcome Screen portal. So as you can see, I am in here. This is my personal property that I manage. Just to give you an idea of what I'm personally running, as you can see, I have this background with this QR code that says scan me that does lead to my Viator shop. Now you can actually pause this video and scan the code to see what it looks like for yourself if you were to set this up. And then I also have a QR code here for Sunset Cocktails, which is a singular activity but still again linked to my store. Now if you want to get started doing this, the first thing you're going to need to do is back out of here and go to the Monetize tab. So once you're here, you're going to click sign up here. It's going to take you to the sign up page, put your email in, do everything it asks for. I've already done the process, so I'm not going to do it again, but very simple. Just give it the information it asks for, and then you'll be set up. Okay, so here we have a brand new account that I've just made. As you can see, there's no data display here because I've just started running it, but essentially you will be able to see all your conversion metrics, so how many visitors to your store, how many bookings you got, the gross booking value, what's your commission, stuff like that. In terms of what you're going to want to do to actually get your store set up and everything, what you're going to do is you're going to go back to dashboards, you're going to go get started, and from here you're in your account, so you have your Viator shop, you can manage your account. This is a collection that I have made. So essentially I have my Oahu activities, right? I've put these all in a store. Now to do this, all you have to do is go back here. You can make a new collection. I'll just make one right now. So my recommendations for Gatlinburg, let's say. Now let's create a wish list. Best stuff to do in Gatlinburg. Save. Now, if I refresh my page, yep, we do have a Gatlinburg store. Now let's put some stuff in there, right? So I'm gonna just type in Gatlinburg, Tennessee. Now it's gonna select me here. Now, so if I wanna add these things to my store, all I have to do is just press this heart and I will click here, save. Let's do some zip lining, save. Let's do some let's do a national park tour here, and let's do Creek Falls hike. Save. All right, so I've got 4 things in my store. Now, it is worth mentioning that you can advertise these as singular activities, right? So if you just wanted to advertise just this, like I'm doing for just Sunset Cocktails, all you would do is get an affiliate link, generate the link, copy, go back here. I'll just do it on one of my random things, but essentially, you know, I can go to here, add this, be like, sorry, zip lining, done like that. Now, once that's added, I have the QR code for it here. It's as easy as that. Now, how do you put it on the big background image? So let's do it with our store, since that's what we're probably going to want to send people to. I would kind of shy away from advertising just individual activities. People have a broad range of interests, so it's better to give people a store with lots of stuff in it so they can pick amongst a host of different things. There's a higher chance they'll find something they actually want to do, right? All right, so let's go back to our shop. So I'm going to my Viator shop. Now my recommendations for Gatlinburg. Now, as you can see, once I've clicked in, I can get an affiliate link here. All I have to do is generate a link for it. So Gatlinburg store. Okay, cannot contain special characters. We'll just do Gatlinburg like that. Generate a short link, copy. So now we have a link, right? So let's make one for Gatlinburg. So I'm going to take away the American flag, delete. I was running that one for the 4th of July. It's pretty cool. I like to change it out based on certain occasions. If it's the 4th of July, I put the American flag up. If it's Halloween, put something spooky up, right? Like, just depends on the event. I'm going to leave this text because I like this text, but if you did want to have it anything different, you can edit it, do whatever you want to it. In terms of sizing, I like 1920 by 750 pixel height. That's the dimension that really works well for layout 4. In terms of what exactly is going on here, this QR code you can actually generate within Canva. I highly recommend Canva for this, but you can do it on any design software you want to. But yeah, let's hop into getting a Gatlinburg photo. So as you can see, I typed in Gatlinburg. It has a bunch of free images for me to use. Let's see, this one looks pretty sweet. So I'm just going to expand that here. I'm going to send it to the back. Again, if this is looking too complex for you, you can hire a designer to do this for you for very cheap. It's not very difficult, but you know, whatever is easiest to get it done for you. So we have this, our favorite local activities, Scammy. Now, how do we make this QR code link exactly to our Viator link? Well, just double click on it. It's going to take you to this, and then I'm just going to simply copy and paste my code into it. Right, now I have this. I can edit it if I want to, customize, so I don't want any margins, so I'll do that. Now you're good to go. All you have to do is share, download, change to JPEG or whatever you want it to be, up the quality, select the current page if you only have one, download it and attach it to your screen. So now let's see what would happen if I was to actually scan this code. Now just pretend I'm a guest, got my phone, I'm going to open the camera app and I'm scanning the code. And I've clicked the link and it is now taking me to my Gatlinburg store. Sorry, it's taking a second to load, but now you can see all the local activities that we picked are on my phone. They can click on them, book them. You don't have to deal with any of it. You just set it up, and once they start, booking, you get paid. So I've gone ahead and attached it to my screen just to show you exactly what it would look like. So we're going to upload this, and then we're going to preview. Essentially, there you go. So this is what your welcome screen would look like if you were to attach this image. Super simple, only takes a couple of minutes, and we're always happy to answer questions over support@welcomescreen.com. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video today. And again, please let us know if you have any questions through email or even through the comments.